Home remedies for treating psoriasis. Have you ever noticed white flakes around your shoulders? Or has someone commented on your dry, scaly skin? It could be dandruff if it's only a light accumulation of white flakes. But you could also be suffering from a medical condition called psoriasis. Psoriasis home treatment is effective as it manages the skin condition for a long time. Psoriasis is an inflammatory skin disease characterized by thickened patches of red, dry, scaly skin accompanied by pain and itching. Tiny silvery pinkish flakes appear on the skin around the knees, legs, elbows, scalp, belly button and buttocks, giving the skin a dry, scaly, fish-like look. Psoriasis can make you self-conscious about your appearance to such an extent that you would not want to step out of home without covering yourself. But you can deal with the condition thanks to psoriasis home treatment. Home remedies may not cure this condition completely, but it can provide some relief. Psoriasis home treatment. Here are some ways to treat psoriasis at home. These home remedies for psoriasis are easy and scientifically backed. Number 1. Get some sunrays. Expose yourself to sunlight for at least 10 minutes in a day. This can help improve the appearance of your skin. Make sure to apply a sunscreen, but leave the affected areas exposed. Too much of sunlight can worsen psoriasis. Consult your doctor before trying this psoriasis home treatment. Number 2. Apply apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most potent home remedies for treating psoriasis and other skin conditions. It helps in soothing the itching skin and the burning associated with it. Dilute vinegar at least 1:1 with water before use. But, if the affected skin burns while applying, don't use it. Number 3. Use a moisturiser. The itching and flaking can worsen psoriasis, so to keep your skin comfortable, apply moisturiser regularly. A thick cream or a one without added fragrances helps in controlling the symptoms of psoriasis. Vegetable-based oils are also an excellent psoriasis home treatment remedy. Number 4. Aloe vera gel. Applying aloe vera gel on the skin affected by psoriasis will reduce the redness and inflammation. Aloe vera also nourishes dry skin. It can be applied directly to the skin. However, if you're using aloe vera cream, choose the one that contains 0.5% aloe. Number 5. Fish oil. Fatty fish such as salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so fish oil supplements are one of the best home remedies for treating psoriasis. Fish oils also boosts your immunity and reduces risk to heart diseases. Psoriasis is an autoimmune skin disease, so this psoriasis home treatment can help improve the symptoms. Number 6. Salt or oatmeal bath. Sit in a tub with lukewarm water and add a cup of milk, olive oil and Epsom salt. This has helped reduce the itchiness caused by psoriasis and eventually scales on the body. Use a thick moisturizer immediately after bath. You can also use ground oatmeal and soak the affected area of your skin to get relief from the pain. Number 7. Capsaicin. This key ingredient found in chili and black peppers reduces pain and itchiness from psoriasis. However, people with sensitive skin must consult their doctor before applying capsaicin on the affected skin. Number 8. Turmeric. This Indian herb is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties that help to get relief from psoriasis. So, turmeric is one of the most popular psoriasis home treatment remedies. Consume at least 6 teaspoons of turmeric powder every day, either in plain water or mix it in milk. Turmeric also cleanses the liver and helps you lose weight. Number 9. Gluten-free diet. If you have psoriasis, there are chances that you have digestive problems as well. Gluten can cause inflammation, so avoid wheat, bread and cereals. Consuming gluten-free diet can significantly reduce the symptoms of psoriasis. Increase intake of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Number 10. Stay hydrated. Water boosts your immunity, cleanses your body of toxins and other harmful chemicals and improves your digestive system. So, drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated and keep your skin healthy. Avoid perfumes and dyes. Most perfumes and dyes contain chemicals that irritate and inflame the skin, so avoid such fragrances as much as you can. Psoriasis can become unbearable if avoided for a long time or without proper care. Keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. Well, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found value in it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're interested in more content like this. If you guys have an idea for a video you'd like to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. With all that said, you guys have a great day and see you all in the next one.